Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Check macOS version and ensure at least 50 GB free. That avoids immediate failures. Once done, locate a Windows ISO and decide whether you'll use a USB installer or the built-in assistant. Use a USB if your Mac is older. Make a full backup with Time Machine or a clone so you can revert if partitioning or installation goes wrong. Next, open Bootcamp Assistant to start creating the Windows partition. You'll run Bootcamp Assistant and point it at the Windows ISO. Drag the slider to set the partition size, keeping performance needs in mind. Once Bootcamp creates the partition and writes the installer, your Mac will reboot into the Windows installer. Select the Bootcamp partition and format it as NTFS before proceeding. After Windows installs and reboots, make sure to install Bootcamp drivers from the USB or the Bootcamp installer. These drivers restore keyboard, trackpad, Wi-Fi, and power management functionality. You finish by choosing the default startup OS. Use system preferences on Mac OS or the Bootcamp icon in Windows to switch quickly. Then update Windows and install all Bootcamp driver updates. Check Device Manager to confirm no missing drivers remain and adjust display or trackpad settings as needed. If you hit boot errors or the installer won't start, reset NVRAM and try recreating the USB installer. This commonly resolves.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.